friends, it's Penny Wolf, and I have another haul video for you today, and it's clothing today. I have shirts and jackets and some jeans, and anyways, I resell on eBay and Poshmark, top rated power seller on eBay and a Poshmark ambassador. And if you haven't watched any of my videos before, today I have gloves on because I had a blister over here and one over here, and there's no way to put a band-aid on them, and what can you do? I just put on these little cheap vinyl gloves. Anyways, I have some nice cool items to show you today. However, I have one of my lights out here that I use for photographing. This is out in the garage today where I bring my new arrivals, and then I do my storage out here. Anyhow, this is one of my lighting kits that I have here, and it's really nice. It's the umbrella with the stand, and it came, I think, as a kit of 2, and either that or I ordered 2 because I have 2 of them. Anyhow, I've had them for a while, and I will link in the description that, you know, those lights in case you're interested in looking for some for your business. Something else that I use very on, you know, a lot of the clothing is the clear bags, and they already have the warning printed on it, and I really like that, and they have a self-stick thing on the rear. These are really, really nice. I'll link those in the description too. You can purchase them on eBay. On Posh, one of the really nice things that I like to list is my a purple bag. I really like this for the poly mailer, and I'll link that also in the description on where you can find that also on Amazon. I made a set eBay on those, but it's Amazon. However, let's get with the haul. Okay, the first item is a Comanche blue, and I don't always pick up a lot of Anthropologie. I know I always say that, but I pick up a few pieces, and especially this line. It doesn't seem like it sells that often or for that much. However, I really like this, and I thought with the holidays, Christmas coming up, this would look really cute with a pair of booties, you know, the boots, shoes, or the ankle boots, or even, you know, tights with some shoes. And it's a skirt or a romper. I always get them confused. I always gotta think about it before I list it, how to, you know, what word to use. However, I actually really liked it myself. I may keep it. It's Comanche blue. And, you know, if I got 10 bucks out of it, I'd be happy. All the items basically that I pick up are, you know, items I get at Salvation Army or Goodwill, basically all of them with a few exceptions. And the Salvation Army ones, usually I only pay $1 for it. This is a Talbot's, and I know we're going towards the cold season. However, this was like immaculate. It's super, super cute. I don't know what you call this, if it's a brocade. I'll have to look that up, but it's beautiful. And if I got 10 or 15 out of it, I'd be happy. If it was summer coming up, you might be able to get a little bit more. Talbots. The next item I picked up is an Eddie Bauer, and it's a really nice distressed leather, and it's also got like that, you know, thicker lining in it. It's very heavy. I charge shipping on all of my items, and anyways, I got this at Goodwill, and I probably paid anywhere from $5 to $7. And I did look this up, and they can go for around maybe, you know, $55. I'd be very happy with that. That's a good return on investment. I don't always pick up all Eddie Bauer, but some pieces is worth it. You want to look them up. The next item is a Nike, and it's a hoodie sweatshirt. And I seen that there was a tiny, tiny little snag, and I have to see if I can fix that. If not, I'll have to state that. And, you know, if you get anywhere, you know, from around $10, I'd be happy. I don't know, because there's a lot of Nike out there, but some pieces sell. However, I was looking at this, and I have to make sure this isn't a kid's. I do that sometimes. Do you ever do that? Anyhow, where you'll think it's women's or something, and it ends up being kid size, and it says medium, but I'll have to double check, and when I get the measurements, I'll be able to figure it out. The next item I have, these are like brand new with, they don't have tags, they're like brand new, and they're Levi's, and they're what's called a, they're the 569, they're a loose straight, and they sell for maybe around $29, but they were like brand new. These were worth picking up. These I got at Goodwill, and I probably maybe paid around $5 for it, maybe a little over. The next item I picked up, this is also a Goodwill item, same, you know, price as the other jeans, but they're a silver, And they're the Silver Gordy silver brand. And these I looked up, and they can go anywhere from $35 to $39. That's a really, really great return on investment. And that is silver. I passed up silver for a very long time. I did not know that they were, you know, a pretty decent seller, but it may depend on the style and the size, because I don't list a lot of jeans. I've just been starting to list more, and that's something I'd have to check. This I got at Goodwill also. This was probably around $7, and I picked it up because it's a Columbia. It's very nice and it's black. However, the prices weren't really high on it. Some were, some weren't. $25 to $45. That's still a great return on investment. If it's a size small women's, I would keep it, but I think it's a men's medium because it's really nice for winter. Columbia. The next item I have is a Polo Ralph Lauren, and I didn't know when I picked it up because I didn't look up comps. You do that? Anyhow, maybe only goes for $10. However, I only paid $1 for it. It's worth listing. This is a 2XL though. That's a little bigger. When you go a little bit bigger sizes, you get more money, a little bit more money, and you get a little bit more money, and they sell a little bit faster. And anyhow, if I got, you know, 10, 15, I'd be happy. I paid $1. The next item that I purchased is some Hudson jeans, and these were $1, and I think maybe it's their you know, trade to have the buckle pockets. However, I did look them up. I have 2 pair of these, and these Hudson jeans, they maybe go for around $20, but they're a really good, you know, nice little brand. If you ever find the brand Mother, pick them up. I've only ever found one, and it was actually a pair of khaki. They weren't jeans, and I don't even know. I paid maybe like $5 for them or something like that. And I don't remember because it's been quite a while ago, but they sold for like, it seemed like between $40, maybe $50. Anyhow, and then after I sold them, I didn't realize that they had a replacement button on the front, but I solved it with the buyer, and I think maybe I discounted some for it. I don't remember now, but anyways, Mother's really good. If you find the jeans, supposedly on the rear pockets, I don't know if they all do, but they'll have like an M on it, but look for the tag. This is the other pair of Hudsons. You know, they're in pretty nice shape. They got a little bit of, you know, wear there, but they're pretty nice. This next item, I don't think I looked this up in the store. I don't think. I may have, but I don't think I did. And come to find out what it is kind of like a motorcycle or a motocross, and it's like a heated, what's called a heated jacket. And it feels kind of weird in there. I don't know. I have to you know, research how it's heated. It might be just off of your body, or you know, I don't think yours. Oh, there's something in here. I guess maybe you put batteries in it. I'll check that out. However, it's called Gerbring, and I looked this up, and they go anywhere from $68 to $99. I know I didn't pay full price for this that I know of. This was probably $1 that I think. And it's Gerbring. You know, it might be a brand you don't come across that often. But if you know, find anything that looks like motorcycle or motocross, it's worth looking up. It's very heavy. Anyhow, I was very happy with that purchase. The next item is Joe jeans, and these are kind of faded, but they were $1. I thought I'd take a chance. They sell for maybe $20, but if I got 10 out of these, I'd be happy. I should have waited on doing my shipping for today until I did this video, because I had a couple items go out. The Missoni sweater that I had in one of my other videos, pretty sure I had it in there. It was the black open front, and I don't think it had a material tag, and I think it didn't have a size tag, and I didn't realize it. However, it sold for around $30 today. And then I had the Ralph Lauren purple V-neck long sleeve sweater sell, and that sold I think for around $22. And that one I think was missing the material tag, but it was the black label, black or purple label, worth more money with Ralph Lauren, not Lauren Ralph Lauren, but Ralph Lauren. And then I had a Logo lounge sell. Logo used to be a brand that I think used to sell a little bit quicker and for more money. In later times, I've sat on quite a few pieces, but they usually, for the most part, sell. But this is really cool. It was like a sweatshirt with a lace trim. And I can't remember now what it sold for, but it was like maybe 10 or 15. But last week I had a logo and it sold for, you know, decent money, like at least $10 or $15. I don't think it was 20, but it was the plus size. If you find plus size in that, that's a good buy. Oh, I had another pair of, oh, that's the Hudson. No. Oh, yeah. The 2 pair of Hudson jeans. I may have showed the same one twice. If I did, here's the other one. I don't know. Yeah, because I have 2 pair. I have that pair. Yeah, the 2. And they're pretty basically the same, you know, style. The next items I have is I have 3 pair of the crop Adidas pants. And I did look these up and maybe $14. However, I didn't notice this until after I had gotten them. Their drawstring is missing. I'll have to deduct for that. There is that pair and that pair, probably the same person because I think they're all size small. And that's, you really want to try to go with bigger sizes if you can. However, these were all $1. Now that has a drawstring, and that's a little bit different style. Yeah, there's one drawstring. I don't know where the other end of it is, but I'll figure that out. Oh, it's there, but it's just not through the thing. Oh man, you know how fun that is, trying to restring them. I wonder if the other ones have them. Nope, the other ones, it looks like they pulled out. Anyhow, I got 3 of those. Probably wasn't the best decision on purchasing them. And basically that concludes the haul for today. I have a bunch more items and I'll, you know, do some more hauls. And anyhow, I hope that you were able to get some, you know, great information or content out of this. If you could please leave me a comment, it'd be great, very much appreciated. Or if you have any questions at all. And I really absolutely do love the reselling business. I love to thrift. I love to ship. I really do enjoy it. And I love clothes too. It's very, you know, it's very fun. It can be very profitable. But one thing they've always said, and it is true, and I've been scaling up to this more and more, if you want full-time income, you kind of do have to do the full-time work. Unless you're buying very unusual items and you have quite a few of them and they're, you know, worth a lot of money, maybe that. But, you know, I find that, you know, a lot of the small sales, it all adds up very quickly and, you know, and you can make a nice income from it. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this and have a blessed day.